Hey guys, welcome to another Ready Yeti First Look. I'm Matt, and this week we're going to be checking out Mushroom Superfoods Cordyceps Powder. Is a mushroom superfood company that makes a variety of mushroom products designed to help boost your health and overall athletic performance. Today we're going to be checking out their Cordyceps certified organic mushroom powder. Cordyceps Mushroom Powder is a supplement that's designed to help give you all the benefits of cordyceps in an easy, digestible, and simple format. Just powder. You can just mix it into stuff. Almost anything. Most things. Some of the benefits include vitality and endurance. It supports oxygen consumption and increases energy. And it supports cardiac function and respiratory health. Blood and breathing, that combo. Cordyceps are also known to increase circulation, which makes sense. It all kind of operates in the same sphere in the body. Cordyceps as a mushroom was actually originally used by Tibetan herdsmen. So you can imagine herding livestock high up in the mountains. You're already working in a low oxygen environment. So this is the kind of thing that really helped give them the boost and make it easier to do labor-intensive work. With this product in particular, the use of cordyceps is supposed to improve the oxygen circulation through your blood while helping to support your overall cardiac function. They do have way more information about the actual individual mushrooms that they do have available. They have way more products beyond just the cordyceps powder and cordyceps capsules, which are cordyceps powder in capsule form. And if this is something that you're specifically interested in, I would definitely recommend heading to Ohm's website and checking out more information behind the scientific findings of the mushrooms that they use in their products, especially cordyceps. That's like the crown jewel. Obviously, because of the nature of this product, it's something that's incredibly useful for athletes or anyone who's looking to improve their athletic performance. But even still, when it comes to overall health, this is something that really anyone can benefit from. It's also a great alternative to coffee. If you are looking to kind of curb your caffeine consumption a little bit and not use it as a crutch, this could be something to help give you the energy to help get you through your day instead of pouring like your 7 cup of coffee, which is insane. You shouldn't be drinking that much coffee. Yeah, you need this. Cordyceps Mushroom Powder pretty much accommodates any dietary restriction. It's gluten-free, keto-friendly, paleo, it's vegan, and grows all of their mushrooms in the US of A. There's a lot of different ways you can take this in the morning. Obviously, capsules make it easy if you don't mind just slugging back some pills. If capsules aren't your thing, powder is great. It mixes in smoothies, coffee, tea, anything like that. Also has a ton of recipes on their website to help give you some interesting ideas. If you want to shake things up, make it easy so you don't do the same thing every day. Maybe you don't want coffee one day. Well, what about a smoothie or guacamole? All right, guacamole, pretty good. I like to just stick to something simple. Morning coffee. Carefully, this thing will spill. As you can see, I'm a French press guy and always come prepared. These things are super valuable. Makes it super easy to mix. Ooh, easy. And all you need is 1 teaspoon. Perfect. Boom. That's awesome. Makes like a little mini tornado. Now you get to watch me burn my mouth on coffee. That's hot. Ooh. For me, something like the cordyceps powder is the perfect thing for coffee, especially if you drink your coffee black. It's just gonna make it earthy, which you could always add a little bit of milk if you wanna cut that, but it complements the coffee actually pretty nicely. And something that could easily be masked in a smoothie. As far as mushroom powders go, it's not nearly as intense as some of the other ones out there. Plus, if you do want something a little bit more in line with coffee, if you don't see yourself really shaking that, they actually make some mushroom coffee. Nice mushroom coffee blend. As far as actually taking Cordyceps Mushroom Powder, it's something that you really do need to take every day to make sure you get the full effect. This isn't something where you're gonna take it one and done and then just be good to go. You need to stay with it. You need to have your body start working it into its daily routine of adding nutrients, spreading throughout your body. This is something that's designed to help give you the improvements you're looking for, but you do have to stay committed to it, and it will stay committed to you. I like that. I just came up with that. It's like marriage. Sometimes. To maximize absorption of cordyceps, you are supposed to take it with vitamin C. You don't necessarily have to, but vitamin C does help the absorption of nutrients in your body. To that end, they actually have a vitamin C supplement, something that can go really well with this. Also powered by cordyceps and yerba mate. And it's orange. It's basically emergency, but mushroom powered. Honestly, the capsules and the powder might be a great combo because you can always switch it up. The capsules can be great if you're just out the door or on the go, and if you are someone who likes the process of making your morning coffee, making a smoothie, making lunch, and you work avocado into your diet. This could be a great thing to add to your morning routine. Rather actually eat something than just swallow some capsules. That's me personally. Depends on what you like. If you are an athlete looking to get that athletic edge, want to improve your performance, or you just want to get better respiratory health and improve your overall well-being, Om is definitely a company worth checking out, and specifically looking at their Cordyceps Mushroom powder. You got a lot to offer from. They can work with you on whatever you're looking for, and I'm sure it'll be something that you won't regret. Health comes first. It's important, people. That's it for our first look of Om's Superfoods Cordyceps Mushroom powder and their capsules. Hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to leave a comment below letting us know what you thought of this video. Subscribe to our channel, give us a like, and just have a great day. That's it for now. Stay tuned for another Ready Yeti first look coming at you next week.
Thank you.